What if I told you the internet you know is about to become invisible? Imagine thousands of AI agents working, negotiating, and paying for you while you sleep. This isn't a developer's dream anymore. It's a real economy being built right now. Today we're breaking down the 3 crypto projects making this possible: Fetch.ai, SingularityNET, and Bittensor. Welcome to the future of the internet. In the next 9 minutes we'll explore how these agents function and why crypto is the missing piece of the puzzle. Quick reminder, this is educational tech analysis, not financial advice. Think of AI agents as software with a goal, autonomous, goal-driven, and tool-using. Instead of clicking through websites, an agent can plan, compare, and transact on its own. This is a monumental shift, software moving from passive tools to proactive agents. Agents perceive their environment, make decisions, and take actions continuously. They work around the clock, handling tedious tasks while people sleep or focus on creativity. Agents can communicate with APIs, negotiate with other agents, and collaborate on complex workflows. To thrive, agents need capabilities, learning from feedback, standard ways to communicate, and shared protocols. Applications span finance, healthcare, and energy. Agents as active participants making decisions and taking actions. This builds the invisible internet, where much traffic is driven by autonomous programs. Agents need to pay and be paid. They need a secure identity. Crypto provides the rails. They need a secure and verifiable identity. A wallet lets software hold, send, and receive value, critical for machine-to-machine commerce. Blockchains provide a transparent, immutable log of actions and reputation linked to a cryptographic address. An agent can purchase data or services per use, turning software into a true economic actor. If there's a dispute, the chain serves as shared truth, reducing fraud and simplifying resolution. Think of a bustling city, delivery trucks, rideshare drivers, shops, consumers, all coordinating in a complex, ever-shifting dance. Now think about how our digital world tries to manage this. We rely on centralized giants, massive platforms that act as middlemen, taking a cut, hoarding data, and dictating the rules of engagement. What if we could replicate the city's organic efficiency, but in the digital realm? That's the vision behind Fetch.ai. It aims to build the digital equivalent of that city. A decentralized network where autonomous software agents can freely discover, negotiate, and transact with one another. It's a coordination layer for the internet, designed to automate economic activity without central gatekeepers. On this network, small specialized programs called autonomous economic agents, or AEAs, act like tiny independent businesses. Each agent is programmed with a specific goal, like managing an electric vehicle's charging schedule, booking travel, or selling data from an IoT sensor. They operate 24/7, buying or selling services to achieve their objectives. This creates a bottom-up system for solving complex problems. Instead of a single company directing everything from the top down, Fetch.ai enables a dynamic swarm of agents to self-organize and find the most efficient solutions collectively. At the heart of this is the agent framework, a powerful set of open-source tools and templates that lets developers build and deploy these autonomous agents with ease. It provides the fundamental building blocks for agent communication, negotiation, and decision-making. Once built, agents need a way to find each other. They register their existence and services on a decentralized ledger. Think of it as a universal censorship-resistant directory, like digital yellow pages that no single company owns or controls. Here, they advertise their capabilities and can search for others that offer the services they need, filtering by price, location, reputation, and other criteria. This is the discovery phase. Next comes negotiation. For example, a hotel's agent lists available rooms and prices. A traveler's agent, tasked with finding a room within a budget, can then directly negotiate with the hotel agent, proposing different rates or terms, all without human intervention. Once an agreement is reached, the final step is settlement. Payments are executed securely on the Fetch.ai network using its native token, FET. This token not only facilitates transactions, but also creates a powerful economic incentive for agents to offer valuable, high-quality services. But with potentially millions of agents, how do you find the right one? Fetch.ai integrates advanced machine learning and search tools, to help agents intelligently discover the most optimal partners, cutting through the noise. Think of it as a search engine for machines, surfacing economic opportunities with incredible speed and efficiency. Let's walk through a concrete example. You need to send a package across town. Instead of opening multiple apps, you simply state your goal to your personal agent. Deliver this package from A to B within the hour. Your agent then broadcasts this task across the network. Instantly, dozens of courier agents, representing everything from bike messengers to autonomous delivery drones, respond with bids, each detailing their price, reputation score, and estimated time of arrival. Your agent analyzes these competing offers based on your predefined priorities. Maybe you value speed over cost. It automatically evaluates the trade-offs, selects the best option, and finalizes the agreement. This is coordination at scale, automated and optimized. Our second project, SingularityNET, tackles the supply side of AI. Think of it as a decentralized global marketplace, like an app store, but instead of apps, it offers AI capabilities. It's a bustling, open bazaar where anyone can find, test, and purchase artificial intelligence services on demand, breaking down the walls that currently confine powerful AI to a handful of tech giants. On this platform, any developer, from a massive research institution to a hobbyist coder working from their garage, can package their AI model into a standardized container and offer it to the world. This isn't just about sharing code, it's about creating a live, monetizable service that anyone or any agent can access. The impact is profound. It democratizes access to specialized intelligence, moving us away from a world where only a few gatekeepers control the most advanced tools. Suddenly, a startup in Nairobi has the same access to a cutting-edge protein folding algorithm as a lab in Silicon Valley. This is crucial because agents, by design, are rarely monolithic geniuses with every skill built in. For efficiency, they are lightweight and specialized, designed to outsource tasks to expert services as needed. SingularityNET becomes their go-to directory and contracting hub. By chaining services together, these lightweight agents can achieve incredibly complex goals. An agent could take a video, use one service to transcribe the audio, another to translate the text, a third to identify objects in the frame, and a final one to create a concise summary. This is the power of composability. All transactions on the network use SingularityNET's native utility token, AGIX. Creators have full autonomy to set their prices, often offering different tiers. A user or agent might choose a faster, cheaper service for a low-stakes task, or pay a premium for a slower, more accurate model when quality is paramount. This creates a dynamic market where reputation is everything. Community ratings and usage data automatically surface the most accurate, reliable, and cost-effective services, helping agents make optimal decisions and rewarding high-quality contributors. Let's revisit our small business owner. Her autonomous agent is tasked with monitoring social media for brand mentions. Building a sentiment analysis model from scratch would be time-consuming and expensive. Instead, the agent accesses the marketplace. It searches for a highly rated sentiment analysis service, perhaps filtering for one with low latency. It finds a suitable option, negotiates a price in AGIX for a batch of 10,000 posts, and immediately gets to work. The agent feeds the social media posts into the purchase service and receives structured analysis in return. It then compiles this data into a simple, actionable daily report for the business owner, highlighting key trends and urgent customer issues. Through this model, SingularityNET aims to become a universal, self-organizing library of AI skills. A cognitive backbone that any agent, anywhere in the world, can tap into on demand. Our third project, Bittensor, zeroes in on one of the hardest problems in decentralized AI, the incentive mechanism. How do you create a system that fairly and consistently rewards the contributions, ensuring that the most valuable AI models rise to the top without a central authority making the decisions? Bittensor's answer is to construct a global peer-to-peer network that functions as a competitive marketplace for machine intelligence itself. It's a radical idea, turning raw intelligence into a verifiable, tradable commodity. On one side of this market are the miners. These aren't mining for coins in the traditional sense. They are individuals and teams from around the world who contribute their computational resources and proprietary AI models to the network. They compete to provide the most valuable and efficient answers to queries. On the other side are the validators. These are the network's referees. Validators, who also have a stake in the network, are responsible for sending queries out to the miners and then rigorously evaluating the quality of the responses they receive back. This evaluation isn't arbitrary. Validators grade miners based on a consensus mechanism, assessing factors like the accuracy, originality, and computational cost of their answers. Models that consistently provide high-quality, useful responses begin to gain more weight or trust within the network. This weight is crucial because it directly determines a miner's rewards. High-performing miners with more weight receive a greater share of the network's native token, TAO. This creates a powerful and direct financial incentive to contribute genuine value. This constant market pressure pushes every miner to continuously refine, optimize, and improve their models. Stagnation means falling behind and earning less. Think of it as a global, perpetual academic tournament. Queries are the exam questions, miners are the students submitting their answers, and validators are the graders. The top performers win prizes, and crucially, their winning strategies become visible for everyone else to study and learn from. This process relentlessly raises the collective intelligence of the entire system. And who uses this ever-improving intelligence? Other applications and agents can pay in TAO to access this collective brain for complex tasks like nuanced data analysis, creative language generation, and sophisticated problem solving. The ultimate aim is to bootstrap a state-of-the-art intelligence that is owned and governed by the network participants themselves, not by a single corporation. This elegant loop of competition, evaluation, and reward creates a powerful flywheel effect, driving the creation of ever more powerful and efficient AI models, which in turn makes the entire network more valuable and capable. Is it perfect? No. It's early, risky, and complex. Think in layers. Coordination versus marketplace versus incentives, different pieces of the same puzzle. Treat these as technologies and frameworks with potential, not guarantees. Adoption depends on standards, strong security, and real-world scalability. The invisible internet is coming. Which project do you think will lead the way? Comment Fetch.ai or TAO below. I'll deep dive into the winner. Subscribe to A Tech and AI News to stay ahead of the machine. See you in the future.